Hello students of 8th class. In this video we will study about the food preservation method. You know that bread left unused after moist condition is attacked by the fungus. Microorganism spoils our food, and this spoiled food emit bad smell and bad taste and changed color. And this spoiling of food is done by the chemical reaction that are caused by the microorganisms. So here we will study about the methods, various methods to study the to prevent our food from the attack of the microorganisms. Several methods are given here. First method that is given is the chemical method. Chemical method to uh, prevent the food from the microorganisms. Actually, salt and edibles oil are the common chemicals generally used to check the growth of microorganisms. Therefore, they are called preservatives. So we called them preservative. We add salt and acid preservative to pickles to prevent the attack of microbes. Some examples are given here for the preservatives. Sodium benzoate, sodium metasulfite are some common preservatives. These are also used in jams, squashes to check their spoilage. Actually, in the most of the packaged food items or many other food items, companies put some chemical preservatives. These preservatives prevent the growth of microorganism into the food, so we can consume it later after the several days also. Next method is preservation by the common salt. Common salt has been used to preserve meat and fish for ages. Meat and fish are covered with dry salt to check the growth of bacteria. Salting is also used to preserve amla, raw mangoes, and tamarinds, etc. So common salt is also act as preservative into the food. Next is the preservation by the sugar. Students, jam, jelly, squashes are preserved by sugar. Sugar reduces the moisture content which inhibit the growth of bacteria which spoil the food. Sugar when we put the sugar, it reduces the moisture. जो नमी होती है वो कम हो जाती है. And where is a if moisture is greater, then there is more chances to attack by the bacteria. So when after putting the sugar, when moisture is less, then less microbes will grow on the food. Next is preservation by the oil and the vinegar. Use of oil and vinegar prevents spoilage of pickles because bacteria cannot live in such an environment. Vegetables, fruit, fish, and meat are often preserved by this method. Next is heat and the cold treatment. All of you know, our mother boil milk before it is stored or used. Why? Because boiling kill many microorganisms. So by heating, by giving cold treatment, we can prevent our food from the microorganisms. Similarly, we keep food in the refrigerator also. Now, low temperature inhibit the growth of microbes. So both in increasing the boiling and the cold treatments are used for to preserve the food. One topic is given here. Pasteurized milk can be consumed without boiling as it is free from the harmful microbes. So first I will tell about what is the pasteurized milk and what is the pasteurization. Pasteurization is a method in which we heat the milk up to the 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. हम क्या करते हैं कि हम मिल्क को 70 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक के टेम्परेचर पर हीट करते हैं और जैसे ही मिल्क का टेम्परेचर 70 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो जाता है 15 to 30 सेकेंड्स के बाद उसको एकदम से सडनली उसको चिल्ड कर दिया जाता है, बिल्कुल ठंडा. So this process is known as the pasteurization. By doing so, it prevents the growth of microbes, and this process was discovered by Louis Pasteur, so it is called the pasteurization method. Last step is given here, storage and the packaging. These days, dry fruits and even the vegetables are sold in sealed airtight packets to prevent the attack of microbes. अगर आप फूड आइटम्स को एयर टाइट पैक्स में आप स्टोर करके देखते हो, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू सी दैट द ऑल द ड्राई फ्रूट्स वी गेट in the airtight bags. So if in the absence of air, many microbes can't grow. Most of the microbes are aerobic, they can't grow in absence of air. So in absence of air, we pack food in the airtight or in the vacuum bags, and so this will help to preserve the food without adding any chemicals or any other kind of treatment also. So students, there are several methods are given to preserve the food. We select one suitable method according to our food items. Like we can store dry food into the airtight, we no need to add the chemicals there. But milk we can't store in the airtight, so we need to pasteurize that. And jams are also there, we can't give them hot treatment, so we need to some kind of preservatives. अब ये जो मेथड्स हैं, इनमें से आपका डिपेंड करता है कि आपका फूड आइटम क्या है और आप उसको कौन सा मेथड उसके लिए बेटर रहेगा प्रिजर्व करने के लिए. सो यू हैव टू लर्न दिस, रीड दिस. Only one last topic is left. We will discuss this topic in the next video. Till that, revise the complete chapter and try to find out the keywords answer.